Action verbs with sentences. I am playing with my toy car.
I am playing with my toy car.
I am clapping.
I am clapping.
I am crying.
I am crying.
I am playing outside in the rain.
I am playing outside in the rain.
I am swimming.
I am swimming.
I am going outside with my mother.
I am going outside with my mother.
I am riding bicycle.
I am riding bicycle.
I am eating cookies.
I am eating cookies.
I am drawing a picture.
I am drawing a picture.
I am playing football.
I am playing football.
I am jumping.
I am jumping.
I am skateboarding.
I am skateboarding.
I am exercising.
I am exercising.
I am studying.
I am studying.
I am angry.
I am angry.
I am waiting for my dinner.
I am waiting for my dinner.
I am combing my hair.
I am combing my hair.
I am dancing.
I am dancing.
I am feeling afraid.
I am feeling afraid.
I am brushing my teeth.
I am brushing my teeth.
I am drinking juice.
I am drinking juice.
I am winking at my friend.
I am winking at my friend.
I am feeling blue.
I am feeling blue.
I am sneezing.
I am sneezing.
I am wearing my mask.
I am wearing my mask.
I am drinking milk.
I am drinking milk.
I am making a paper plane.
I am making a paper plane.
I am feeling extremely hot.
I am feeling extremely hot.
I am eating too fast.
I am eating too fast.
I am going to sleep.
I am going to sleep.
I am playing hide and seek.
I am playing hide and seek.
I am skipping.
I am skipping.
I am reading a book.
I am reading a book. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.